Here we have different type of problems. Let's resolve them. The first thing, the country has the country name and the code. So if I need to subtract or I need to separate this, I want to break that into country and reference number. I'm going to actually insert 3 empty columns. So here we're going to use regex extract. I'm going to put here country, and I'm going to put here reference, maybe number. Now, that's one way of doing things. Regex extract works with any type of data set that you want to split as long as it's consistent. Okay, as long as you have a pattern. So here we have a certain pattern. We have the name of the country, then we have 4 numbers dash 3 numbers. So it's consistent and it is a pattern throughout all of this database. So let's start first by extracting the country from this data. Okay, so we're gonna go with extract. This is the text we're gonna extract, comma. So now we need the pattern. To start with the pattern, we're going to open parentheses, and then we're going to open the bracket. Okay? Now, here we're trying to extract alphabetical letters. Okay? We're not trying to extract the numbers. So we're going to put A, since it's starting as an uppercase, dash, and a smaller z. From A to Z, it means all the letters between A and Z, starting with a uppercase to a lowercase. And then I would just close that bracket. I would put the plus sign. It's done. So that's it. I don't need anything after. So just break it here. Close the quotation marks and close the parentheses. And there you have it. You have Canada. Again, double click. You have only the country extracted. How about the reference? It starts the same thing. Regex extract. But here we have a breakdown of these letters between 4 letters, then dash 3 letters. So we're going to break it in 2 sections. So again, this is the text, the pattern. We're going to start with opening quotation mark, opening the bracket. However, here we have numbers. So we're going to put from 0 dash 9. So the numbers that are included between 0 and 9. Okay? We're going to close that, but we're not done yet. So again, plus sign, it means move to the next one. Before we didn't have anything, so we just closed the quotation marks and we closed the parentheses. But here we have, it's separated by a dash. So we need to put the dash, that's the pattern. Again, open parentheses, 0 to 9, because the second set is also numbers. If the second set was letters, I can put from A to Z. That's the beauty of it. You can adjust the pattern in any way you want. You can extract only the information that is relevant. So if I don't want the last 3 numbers after the dash, I can just stop there and close it without addressing this. But I want the full reference number. So I'm going to close it. Again, plus sign, quotation, and close the parentheses. Okay? And enter. I have those numbers. Again, double click,